Hey designers, want to speed up your workflow and get more done in After Effects? Let's dive into 5 game-changing shortcuts that'll make your life easier. First up, if you're working on a project and struggling to find your selected layer in the Layers panel, just press X on your keyboard. Boom! The layer is instantly highlighted, saving you time hunting it down. Next, if you want to move a layer one step higher in the stack, simply press Ctrl plus right square bracket. Need it at the very top? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. Want to move it one step down? Ctrl plus left square bracket is your shortcut. And if you need that layer at the very bottom, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus left arrow. Now, here's a real time saver, navigating keyframes. If you need to jump to the next keyframe, just press K. To go back to the previous one, press J. No more endless scrolling through your timeline, just hit J and K to zip between your keyframes in an instant. These shortcuts are designed to help you work smarter. For more designer tips, tutorials, and tricks, subscribe to Ace Designs, your go-to spot for all things design.